Para, ano, no? Para hindi mo na kaya sa leader. Gumawa ka ng survey sa Pilipinas, ano yung apat na qualities ng leader, hindi lalabas yung dalawang yan. Alam mo yung lalabas? Mabait, magaling na pisa. Paunawain, supportive, hindi lalabas yung forward-looking at inspiring. Pero yung confidence at integrity lalabas yung dito. So, parang hindi sila importante. Pero kung iisipin mo, importante yan. So, a leader has to be forward-looking. Hindi pa pwedeng, dapat may vision ka. Meron kang ino-offer sa mga tao nyo. So, meron silang ini-expect forward-looking. I look forward to something. So, your people work with you because they look forward to something that you offer them. And it doesn't have to be 300 pesos if you reach the 10 articles or 60 pesos per article after that. It doesn't have to be money. But you have to offer them something that they look forward to. Kung hindi ka hindi ka forward-looking, wala kang vision. Ang iniisip mo lang, yung operations mo yun, problema, ito, mga ikis-dikis, mga maliliit na bagay, etc. It's a leader. A leader has to be forward-looking. So, for example, nasa resort. So,